How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats or secret conversations on Messenger if you have lost access. So let's get started. First thing first, remember that encrypted chats are device specific, meaning you can only access them on the device where they were originally started. Next, make sure you are using the same phone or tablet that you used to create the secret conversation. If you switch devices, you won't see the chat. Next, go to Messenger settings and tap secret conversation or end-to-end encrypted chats and ensure it's enabled. This allows encrypted chats to be visible. Each encrypted chat has a unique device key. To check this, go to your secret conversation, tap on name at the top and compare the device key with the one in your settings. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your encrypted chats. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.